Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. This is Tara, and today we have two Hubman and Chubgirl happy mails here. One from January and one that just came, that's for February. Unfortunately, because I have medical bills, you guys know I will have to stop this subscription, but I figured we'd open the last two together. I'm very excited to see what they look like, and I actually need the January one to set up my January calendar. So I'm excited for this. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're already part of the way. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing. Let's get into this. We don't need this to be super late. By the postmark, because I don't really know. By the postmark, I'm thinking this is the January one. So let's go ahead and get into this January one real quickly. I did a little rigmarole. Let's get these out. I hope I didn't cut anything up. Here we go. January. I got it right. Let's not do these first. Let's do the big side first. I always like to open this up. And if anyone is wondering, I know I'm stopping this subscription, but that's only really because I have to pay medical bills. I really do love the stickers and the quality. So if you're interested in it and it's in your budget, I say try them out. So I did get two little cutouts, and they're so cute. Look at these jellies. Yeah, I love them. They're so pretty, and they actually go with some markers that I have that I'll probably be using to color in some more money challenges, so I can use these stickers to correlate. Speaking of coral, here's some pretty coral. I like the colors on this. It gives good new energy vibes. So these are ocean jellies and friends. They've got little stars and stingrays and coral, and I just love. Let me show you off to the side here. Look, these are the colors I'm about to color with, and look how well that's gonna go. I'm excited. Okay, so that's what that page looks like. Then we have our sleepy jelly. Look, they're sleeping. And they get a little moon and stars. And the one with the little Z's. And the little clouds. Get your rest in this new year of 2026, y'all. Sleep with these little jellies. Yep, really cute. And then we have our dreamy scene. So I love this because when you think about the new year in 2026, you think about your dreams and having your dreams come true and your goals. Dream big, you guys. Anything is possible. There is no limit. And so I love these little clouds and stars in the clouds and the little Z's and still the little sleeping jellies. Very, very, very pretty. Yeah. These jellies are cute, and so this is such a beautiful page. I'm probably just gonna stick it in there. Dreamy jellies. There's something about watching jellyfish drift that makes the whole world go quiet. The way they float, slow, elegant, like you're dancing through time, always pulls me into a dreamier headspace. Everything else fades away, and for a little while, it feels like I'm underwater with them, unbothered by clocks or to-do lists, just soft sways and sleepy thoughts. I absolutely feel that, and I get that from this collection. So super pretty. Then we have, as the little freebie, some sticky notes, it looks like. I also really like that they just don't give you too many. Like, it's like, okay, we don't need a whole stack. So we only got a few, and we'll try to use those probably in my planner. I should put these in my planner. I got a lot of things to remember for January going into February. So this is going to be a cute little addition to that. And then let's talk about the journal part of the subscription. This is the journal subscription, if anybody's wondering. It comes, and I chose that because I use a A6, like the true European size A6, not the personal. So a lot of them spaces are small. So I chose the one that had really small stickers so I could use them in there. Now this is the pink jellies kit. Really cute. Are these, what? Look at them. Okay, I'm done. And then this is the blue jellies. So just a page of each color. And then the purple jellies. I think these would be really cool if you did a mood tracker because they all have different faces on them. And you could be like, oh, I'm happy this day, sad this day, surprised this day, sleepy this day, if you were a tracker girl. And then all the, and then I've been calling them, see, what have I been calling them? Coral, but they're called anemones, whatever. I'm sorry, I don't mean whatever, but they're that. Very cute though, very cute. And then the dreamy skies. Yeah, love that. I think I might use this on like a goals page. And then here are just the general stuff. So the January, which I love, so pretty. And the January for your weeklies, if you want to put them on each week. And then the days of the week. Love the colors they chose for this kit. Monthly date dots. Yep, gonna use those. And dreamy jelly date dots, which you can use in your weeks as well. A big thing for me this year is to get back to planning, because without a plan, I just say I'm going to do a whole bunch of stuff and then I don't do nothing. That fact. And I'll share that with you guys. Of course, y'all are my girls and my boys. Okay, or my ladies and my gentlemen. So let's get into February's. I actually love that I don't send boxes anymore because I don't feel bad about throwing these away. And look at all their gummy bears. Sorry. I'm gonna miss this little thing so much. I want to rent them down. This is crazy. I'm about to call back them people and tell them to put my medical bills lower so I could keep getting my subscription. They're so cute. Look at my little die cuts. So little lollipop, lollipop, oh, lollipop, lollipop. Ba-boom, boom, boom. Okay, had to do it. And then this little swirl of some sort. So cute. Okay, what did they give us this time? So the freebie this time, are some gummy bear flakes. I almost don't want to take them out. I'm pretty sure I've seen, usually when they send the flakes, the Hubman and Chubgirl team makes some kind of shaker. But that's what they look like. So cute. Ooh, I think 2 of each color, green, blue, and pink. Oh, so that's wrong. There are 2 blue, 4 pinks, and 2 green. I just really wanted to make sure I wasn't lying. So let's look at our sticker sheets that we got. And we have the Sweet, Sweet Town. And oh my gosh, it's so pretty. That makes sense. February candy, things like that. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at the little gumball machine. Look at that peppermint. I like the colors. They're giving nice and spring, like leading up to springtime. And of course, Valentine's Day. I'm shocked there wasn't more red for February, but I like that they don't do the normal thing. That looks like an ice cream cone with ice cream, but it's a little house. Mayo. They're so freaking creative over there. And then we have the gummy bear friends. Look at all the gummy bears. And the little lollipops, which remind me of something Salisa put on her little A6 thing that she made. Look at the lollipops and the hi. He looks like he's saying hi to me, okay? And oh my gosh, look at the little lollipop tree. Okay, let me make sure y'all can see all of them. Slow roll. Next, we have our candies and sweet treats. So just a cute, this looks like it's cotton candy trees. And little swirls, and again a different kind of peppermint. All the little sweeties and peppermints. Y'all know I colored a page peppermint, so I love that. And then it says that Sweets Town. I've always had the biggest sweet tooth. If I could, I think I'd pack my bags and move to a town made entirely of desserts. That little daydream stuck with me, and eventually it turned into this month's theme, Sweets Town. In this magical place, gumballs glow inside lampposts, cupcake cottages sit beneath cotton candy trees, and cheerful gummy bears wander the streets, hanging out marshmallow maps and candy. Yes, handing out marshmallow maps and candy. Oh, let's see what the page looks like. Oh, I love it. It's a cute little town. It's Gummy Bear Town. No, what was it called? Sweets Town. It's Sweets Town in a post in a journal card. Yeah, we love this. Super pretty. Super pretty. Love those colors. Let's get into our journal cards and we'll go quickly so we don't be here all day. You're So Sweet. And that has our little gummy bears and little candies on it. And then we have Sweets Town, which has our little houses and towns that look like birthday cakes and popcorn centers. Oh my gosh, y'all see the popcorn center and little cupcake houses? Love that. Our candy trees, our cotton candy trees, our little gumball lamppost. Yeah, super cute. You can make yourself a little montage at the bottom of a page, I feel, with the little trees and the people and the post. Lollipop, lollipop, oh, lollipop, lollipop. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry if y'all don't like that song, but every time I see this, I feel the need to do that. And then we have cotton candy. Who doesn't love some cotton candy? It just kind of melts in your mouth. Oh, is that what that was? Cotton candy. Yeah, she's a vibe. Very pretty. I mean, I just really love the colors. This gives me spring vibes, although it's February, but I really like it. I like her concept and how she brought it to life. And look at the Februaries. Those two always make me, she always knows how to like layer her things so the word looks so pretty. And then just for your weeklies if you want. And then the days of the week. They're such good quality paper and thick that I always think I have more than one together. And then we have monthly date dots. Look at the candy canes at the top. I mean, so freaking cute. And then our date dots, our regular date dots for the weeks. And you guys, we've done it. That is everything that there is. This is such a beautiful collection. Both collections are very similar in color, but this seems a little bit deeper and that seems a little bit lighter. I love everything. I feel like if I don't finish the jellies in January, they will cohesively go pretty well with this collection. If you look at them like side by side, the jellies would still go with this collection. Although they're a bit darker than this collection, I think it's a beautiful collection overall. I love everything here. I hope you guys enjoy seeing it. The link to them will be down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything like that. It's just if you want to check them out. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, orders to be great. You've got to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. I love you. Mean it. Bye.